Every day, you have around 60,000 thoughts. And if you're like most people, a significant portion of them are working against you. Your inner critic tells you that you're not good enough, that you'll fail, that you don't deserve success. This constant mental sabotage drains your energy, kills your confidence, and keeps you stuck. But here's the good news: you can take back control of that voice. In this video, I'm showing you 5 practical strategies to interrupt negative self-talk and replace it with thoughts that actually serve you. The first strategy is called the pause and notice technique. When you catch yourself spiraling into negative thoughts, don't try to suppress them or fight them. Instead, pause and simply observe the thought without judgment. Ask yourself, what am I telling myself right now? Is this actually true, or is this fear talking? For example, if you think, I always mess up presentations, pause and notice that thought. Don't believe it automatically. This creates distance between you and the thought, which is the first step to changing it. Strategy 2 is evidence gathering. Your negative self-talk often exaggerates and generalizes. You say, I'm a failure, but that's almost never completely true. Instead, ask for evidence. What's one time I actually succeeded? What's one thing I did well recently? Write down 3 concrete examples. When you're tempted to believe the negative voice again, you have proof to counter it. You're not lying to yourself, you're simply being accurate and balanced with your own track record. The third strategy is the wise friend reframe. Imagine your best friend came to you with the exact negative thought you're having about yourself. What would you tell them? You'd probably be kind, encouraging, and realistic. You'd point out their strengths and remind them that one mistake doesn't define them. So use that same wisdom on yourself. When you think, I'm too stupid to learn this skill, ask, what would I tell my friend in this situation? Then say that to yourself. This shifts you from judge to ally. Strategy 4 is the words to action method. Negative self-talk thrives when you're idle and thinking. So interrupt it by doing something concrete. Go for a walk, write something, call a friend, create something with your hands. Action breaks the thought cycle and reminds your mind that you're capable. If you're telling yourself you're not good enough to start that project, the quickest way out is to start it anyway. 5 minutes of real action silences hours of doubt. The fifth strategy is deliberate positive repetition. This isn't about toxic positivity or fake affirmations. It's about anchoring truthful, empowering statements that counter your specific negative patterns. If your inner critic says, I can't do hard things, your anchor statement might be, I've overcome challenges before, and I can do it again. Say it in the mirror, write it down, say it when you need it most. Repetition rewires your neural pathways. You're not erasing the critic, you're building a stronger, louder voice of truth. Let's recap. Your negative self-talk is a habit, and habits can be changed. Use the pause and notice technique to create awareness. Gather evidence to fact-check your inner critic. Reframe like a wise friend would. Take action to interrupt the cycle. And build positive anchors through deliberate repetition. Your inner voice doesn't have to be your enemy. You can make it your greatest supporter. If you found this helpful, subscribe to Better Daily for more strategies to transform your mindset and take control of your life. You've got this.